Yeah, this might be the last flight because I don't think I'll be able to do the F-16. I can't really see. And then that light blinds you. I wish they'd have put lights on this thing.
Huh?
I wish they'd have put lights on this plane. Yeah, yeah.
Actually, don't need any.
Mm-mm. It's getting too dark. I'm right in the center line, so don't scrape your missiles and shit. There we go. Ah, see, I knew it.
Go. Take off.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
You good?
Yeah.
It gets
Holy shit! I
so
see what
bright,
you're saying.
you can't see.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
It's harder to even tell what direction you're going.
Oh shit, over there it's gone. I can't see it. We gotta stay over here.
You need to stay in this side.
Oh god, I can't see. You don't realize how much those other lights help.
This is dangerous.
I think I'm landing the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to see. I'm not flying anything else after this.
Whoa. I'm just gonna go ahead and land right now.
Oh god, yeah, I can't even see. The afterburners blind you.
Yeah.
I think I'll be okay if I stay close this way. Oh god, it's just gone. You okay?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Dude, that touchdown, I wasn't even sure the touchdown.
You can't see.
Yeah. No shit.
Jesus.
You gotta focus.
You can't even think about anything else.
No.
I gotta keep the plane turning so I can see it. Yeah, this is actually kind of scary.
See you moving in.
Yeah, because I can't see.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, right there.
Right there, it's gone.
Nice. That was a nice landing.
Whew, man.
That was short, but.
Oh, that was exciting. To say the least, my God.
Yeah, I wasn't. I'm not willing to risk anything.
No,
I couldn't see it.
me neither. Over there, you can't see anything. It's just it blanks out. You just kind of have to wait for it to come back.
Yeah. Until you see the silhouette with the
Flaps up.
Yeah, but it takes forever to get there. You're like, oh. I'm sitting there waiting. I'm like, is it gonna come back? Let me do a little afterburner demo. We both have the same one on this, right?
Pretty similar, I think.
It's the same, because you made the, I guess you could leave your nose cone on if you just point it, yeah. Hold on. I'll do yours first, go.
No, just do them both.
Go.
You can't do them both.
Yours is a different color. Yours is like a bronze color. What'd you change?
Holy shit! Check out yours. Do yours? Look at that.
I know, it lightens up the whole thing. You painted the inside of yours, right?
That's why.
Cool. Alright, we gotta get out of here. I ain't flying nothing else.
It's too fucking dark.
Sheesh. I thought it was okay. Don't forget your hat out here.